Hello guys, this is how to buy XRP on Luno. So without wasting any more time, let's jump straight into the video. So what you're going to go ahead and do is you're going to get Luno, download the app. But if you're using the desktop version, then you're going to go ahead and click on the desktop version and have that open on the home page. And then on the home page, what you're going to go ahead and do, you're going to go ahead and scroll down and there should be a lookout page right there that has all the coins, bitcoins, um, or the crypto that are on your radar. So you're gonna click the plus icon. Then you're gonna star Ripple, which is XRP, just so that it is on your radar page. And then once it is on your radar page, you're gonna go ahead and click on it. So it should show you the movement. And then you're gonna click on buy, and then you're gonna pick once off if it is a once off payment. And then you can pick how you would like to buy Ripple. If you're using your XR wallet, just make sure that there's money in it. And if you're using your Bitcoin wallets, just make sure that your account is funded. And if you're going to use a credit or debit card, just ensure that your information has been loaded on there. And it is that quick and it is that easy to buy XRP on Luno. I hope all the information in this video has been helpful, and thank you again for watching.